Suppose we have a circle. Here we have a circle, and also we have a small circle here of 12 inch, and we want that this circle will follow the overall circle or the big circle with a specific distance. I'll go here for array and I will use polar array. In polar array, I'll select the object, then enter. Same, I'll select the center point of array. I'll click here. Just see some circle have been created. Now if I just go total number of items, so what will be the total number of item? The total number of items suppose will be 10. Just see the 10 points have been created. So this is the way to create our polar array. Same if you need to create some row like 5 row, enter. Just see it will give you some row with 5 values. And actually, where we use these types of arrangement, we use these types of arrangement in a auditorium or any other place where we need to create some values, or some we need to place some chair like that. So this is the way to create our different types of arrays.